Yo, what's your boy, Call of Duty Fries here, and today we're going over the best guns in Black Ops 2. I'm going to give you my opinion on the best assault rifle, the best submachine gun, and the best sniper. And the guns I'm going over, they're for pubs. I know in League play, guns like the Scorpion, I think it kicks ass, but the thing is when you're playing pubs, it goes through ammo so fast, it's really hard to use, because in public matches, you're finding guys so fast and so close together. Alright, so first we'll start out with the assault rifle. Best assault rifle, in my opinion, is the AN-94. And the reason for that, it's a really consistent gun. There's certain times I'll use certain submachine guns and I'll be like kicking butt. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna keep using this gun, and the next day it's just not the same. The AN-94, depending on my connection, whatever, seems to be the most consistently good gun that I can always fall back on. I always run red dot on my gun. I don't know, it just really helps me with the aiming. I hate losing guys, like when you look down you can't see them. Another thing, especially with the assault rifle I use, is stock. I found that without stock, you basically stop moving when you aim, and it makes it just a really easy target, so I like having some speed while I'm aiming. Silencer, because there's so many dudes, as soon as you shoot, they just see the red dot on the map, and the way I play, I love sneaking around the other team and like getting into their base, so I don't want them to know where I'm at. If you're more of a camper and it doesn't really matter, you don't need to run Silencer, but that's the reason I run it. That's why I always have Silencer and I always have Ghost. Those are like my biggest things. Alright, so next for you guys, we're going to go with the Sniper. The Sniper, I believe that is the best. I'm going to go with XPR 50. And the reason for that is because, a couple reasons. One, the damage. Most of the time, it's going to be one shot, one kill. The Ballistica, I like it because you can zoom in really quick, but there's so many times you get hit markers. And then if you get a hit marker, and by the time you have to cock again and shoot, you're pretty much always dead. So for that reason alone, I would say that the XRP is definitely better than it. The first sniper is pretty good. I'm trying to blink on the name the second. But the thing is, it's multiple shot kill, and it kind of ruins the purpose of a sniper. It's a good spray and pray gun, though, because it holds really steady. You can just spray it. But for that reason, I'm going to go with the XRP 50. And what I run on it, I run the laser sight. I don't know, I think it just helps me seeing where I'm already aiming before I like scope in real quick and shoot them. And I'm not great with the sniper, and for that reason, too, the XRP, since it's like semi-auto, if you miss a shot, you can hit him with the second one, and that's great. For submachine gun, we're going to go with, I'm going with the MP7. There's a couple reasons for this. As I mentioned, the Scorpion I think is amazing, but it run out of ammo so quick. The MP7 is pretty good ammo on it. It's got 40 clips, so it's better than most of them. Most of them have like a 30 clip. And it kills them really quick. It is really hard to get hit guys far away with it. So when I use that gun, I purposely stay in like the small areas of the map. Obviously not too close, so I'm getting owned up by shotguns. But again, I always run silencer on it because I like sneaking into their base and I don't want them knowing where I'm at. I always run red dot. It just really helps me hit more shots. And then lately, I was running stock on it for a while. But lately I've been running just extended mags. So I'm going with the 54 clip instead. And this way I'm able to knock out like 4 guys if I sneak in their base without having to reload, whereas before I'd usually get like maybe 3 guys with the clip and then have to reload. So this is my take on the best guns in Call of Duty for Black Ops 2. And I said I don't really use shotguns, so I don't really have a good opinion on that. Oh, and another like beast pistol, the Cab 40. It's a full auto pistol. The only thing is, you pretty much need most of the 15 shots to kill a guy. So if you miss some shots, you're probably not going to kill a guy. But other than that, it's amazing. It's amazing to have with a sniper. I always run fast hand so you can switch real quick. Because a sniper, when you shoot a guy and you get a hit marker, I just flip to the Cap 40, hit them with one shot, they're dead. So that's a great pistol to have. I'm not sure if it's the best. Haven't used a ton of pistols, and I don't have the greatest trigger finger, but it's definitely a really good one. So this is my opinion on the best guns in Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Thanks for listening.